Okay, welcome back everyone to another episode of No Fear Cooking. We're gonna make probably the easiest recipe we've ever done. We're making a keto waffle. Do not be alarmed. This is not a normal waffle. This is a keto waffle. And all you need for this are 2 large eggs and 1 cup of mozzarella. That's for the size of our waffle maker. So I will say, if you're one of those mini waffle makers like my sister, just do 1 egg and half a cup of mozzarella cheese. But let's get into it. Take your 2 eggs and just beat them. Get them nice and mixed together. Very easy. Mixed. Add your 1 cup of mozzarella. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time so I can mix it a little bit better. And just get everything incorporated in there. Make sure it's all mixed together well. There goes the rest of my mozzarella. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And I will say, get your waffle maker heated up in the meantime so that it's ready to go by the time you're done with this. And we have a wonderful waffle mixture. Look at that. It's pretty easy stuff. Just pour it into your waffle maker. The whole thing basically fits in there pretty well. Get it spread apart. Close it and cook it for 1.5 to 2 minutes, just depending on your waffle maker. You want it to look nice and brown like this. So we will be back when our keto waffle is done. We'll see you in 1.5 minutes. And 1.5 minutes went by. Our keto waffle is done. Ooh, that one looks even better than the one that I made before. Babbitt, buddy, no. Babbitt was trying to get to some bread we have on the table. Sorry about that little interruption right there. But just scoop it out and put it on a plate. And here's another thing. Stick around because this Sunday, on the 4th of July, we're gonna teach you how to use this for a sandwich that we think you're really gonna like. But go ahead, enjoy your keto waffle. Babbitt, do not eat the bread. Bad puppy. And we'll see you back here on Sunday for what we're gonna do with these keto waffles. Enjoy the rest of your week. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as always. Anyway, see you guys on Sunday. Babbitt, you need to stop.